In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eye-catching text with gradients in Canva. If you're looking to add a bit of flair to your designs, this process is perfect for you. Let's dive right into it. First off, go to your browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. When you get there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on Log In, and if you already have an account, you'll just need to hit Continue to proceed. For those using a Google account, select your Google account from the options provided. Click Continue once again to log into your Canva account. Once you're logged in, you can access all your previous projects. Find and open the project you'd like to work with today. Now that you're in your design workspace, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see the Apps option. Click on it and a search bar will appear. Type in Type Gradient to find the specific app we'll use for this tutorial. Once the Type Gradient app appears on the list, click to open it. In the text box that appears within the app, type in the text you want to transform with a gradient. Make sure it's something that stands out and is relevant to your design. Now it's time to choose a gradient style. There are multiple options available, so take some time to explore and find the one that best suits your design vision. The next feature we're going to use is the outline feature. Look for the outline toggle button and click on it to enable the outline. This will give your text an extra dimension. Now let's spice it up further by selecting a color for your outline. When you click on the color icon, a palette will appear. For today's example, we'll choose black, but feel free to pick any color that complements your design. Once the color is chosen, you can further customize your text by adjusting the outline thickness. Use the slider to find the perfect balance that makes your text pop. Now that you have your gradient text looking just right, go ahead and click on Add to Design. This action will incorporate your beautifully styled text into your Canva project seamlessly. And there you have it, your vibrant, eye-catching text is now part of your design. Play around with different gradients and outlines to see what works best for your project. And that's a wrap. You're all set to create captivating designs that grab attention with just the right touch of color and style. Thanks for watching and happy designing.